Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of computer science, statistics, and domain-specific knowledge to extract insights and knowledge from data. Some of the key foundations of data science include: 1. Statistics and probability. Data science relies heavily on statistical methods and probability theory to make sense of data. Statistical concepts such as regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and Bayesian statistics are key tools in the data scientist's toolkit. 2. Programming and data manipulation. Data scientists need to be proficient in programming languages such as Python or R to manipulate data and build models. They need to be able to work with large datasets and use tools such as SQL to extract data from databases. 3. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that involves building models that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Data scientists need to be proficient in machine learning algorithms such as decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. 4. Data visualization and communication. Data scientists need to be able to communicate their findings effectively to stakeholders who may not have technical expertise. Data visualization tools such as Tableau, Plot2, and D3.js are important for creating compelling visuals that help to convey insights. 5. Domain-specific knowledge. Data scientists need to have a deep understanding of the domain they are working in, whether it's healthcare, finance, or marketing. This allows them to ask the right questions, identify relevant data sources, and interpret the results in a meaningful way. Sure, here is some more information about the foundations of data science. 6. Data preprocessing and cleaning. Data scientists often spend a significant amount of time cleaning and preprocessing data before building models. This involves tasks such as removing duplicates, handling missing values, and dealing with outliers. Data scientists need to be proficient in tools such as Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn, which are commonly used for data preprocessing and cleaning tasks. 7. Big data technologies. As the amount of data being generated continues to grow, data scientists need to be proficient in big data technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases. These tools allow data scientists to work with large datasets that cannot be processed using traditional methods. 8. Optimization and simulation. Data scientists often need to optimize complex systems or simulate real-world scenarios to make predictions or inform decision-making. Optimization techniques such as linear programming and gradient descent are important tools for data scientists, as are simulation tools such as Monte Carlo simulations and agent-based modeling. 9. Ethics and privacy. As data science becomes more widespread, there is an increasing need for data scientists to consider ethical and privacy concerns. Data scientists need to be aware of issues such as bias, discrimination, and privacy violations, and take steps to mitigate these risks. 10. Business acumen. Data science is often used to inform business decisions, so data scientists need to have a good understanding of business concepts such as revenue, profit, and customer segmentation. They also need to be able to communicate their findings in a way that is meaningful to business stakeholders.